Hi you guys, my name is Rosalind. Welcome to my channel, Black Girl Rise Up. For those who don't know, I am a woman who lives unapologetically Black, a mom of 6, an author, a business owner for over 24 years, a teacher, and an inspirational coach and speaker. My goal for my channel is to help Black women from all over the world to live their purpose, make their own money, skyrocket their self-esteem and self-image, all while journeying with me through life. With my weekly new video uploads, you'll get tips, hacks, entrepreneurship insight, affirmations, travel vlogs, life adventures, and everything in between. Teaching and showing you to not let fear and self-doubt hold you back from being who you were born to be. My goal is to encourage you to see yourself correctly, to not hold yourself back, and to own your story. Thank you guys for tuning in. I look forward to going on this exciting journey with you all. Make sure you like this video and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And please introduce yourself in the comment section below. I'd love to connect with you here on my channel. Wait, I'm recording. What do you mean? The toilet is flooding. Oh my God.